Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making this cool dissolving text effect or shape effect. Doesn't have to be on text. Anyways, start off, I'm gonna go with an O. I feel like circles and O's in general have they turn out really cool in these types of effects. Anyways, you're gonna get your smudge tool, click and press OK, and before you do anything, change your blending mode to dissolve. And it's as simple as that. We're basically already done with the effect. What you're gonna do is smudge your letter and you'll see all these dots kind of like spray painting appearing, which is just so crazy. So you kind of just blur it till you're happy with the amount of dots you have. Just move your letter around. And after that, I usually like to add, I don't know if I can show you from over here, or I have to go with the bottom. Yeah. Okay, so just click on here and you'll find as a second drop-down menu, a second option, you'll find gradient. And you're gonna click on this and we're making a black gradient that goes to transparent. Press OK, right click, convert to smart object, and then I'm gonna go with Command T. I'm gonna bring it down to like halfway, and then I'm going to change the blending mode to something that I like, or maybe even leave it without. But yeah, that's basically the effect. If you want, you can make it into a clipping mask, so if you have something in the background, so it'll only affect your letter. Now you can't see anything because my background is fully black, but if you have something going on and you just want the gradient to be applied to your letter and not your background, that's how you would do it. Yeah, and that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This was a really easy and short one, but I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.